Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Today we'll do the topic articles. Now students, we have already learned what is article. But once again, we'll do practice for this chapter so you can understood and you can learn very well how to use these articles while speaking in your sentence and while writing in your sentence. So first of all students, what is article? Articles means it's a little words like a and the. It's known as articles. Yes? Now look at here. There's articles a and the. A and is used for objects that are not specific or one of several things of a similar type. For example, I need a phone. Yes? So, a and an. First of all, we'll say that a and an, first of all, we are using in the sense of one. When we want to say that the thing is one, for that also we can use a or an according to vowel and consonant sound. Then use the first time we introduce an object. I saw a movie last night. When we are using the first time that things, for that also we can use a or an according to the consonant and vowel sound. Even we can use a and an in the sense of each and every also. For example, that I go to my home, or you can say I go to my uncle's home twice a month. So that time we can use a month. So we can use a or an to say in a sense of one, to sense of each and every. Then we can use according to vowel sound. The first letter in the word may be a vowel with a consonant sound or a consonant with a vowel sound. Though it's a vowel letter but it's a consonant sound, then we have to use a. But if it's a consonant letter with the vowel sound, so that time what we have to use? We have to use an. For example, like if there is a R, H-O-U-R. So H-O-U-R, here H is a consonant letter but the sound, how we are pronouncing it? R. So here a sound is there, so what will come? An R. Then if we are speaking like uniform, which letter is here? U. Uniform. So here, though it's a vowel letter, but it's a consonant sound. So that's why what will come here? A uniform. So clear students? Now look at the article. Use for specific object or objects that both the speaker and listener know. Can you give me the books on the table? When you are aware of that things, so for that you can use the. If you don't know anything, if you are not aware of that things, so for that you have to use a or an according to object. Or you can say when the noun, when it's only one of something or is unique or one of its kind, that time also what we have to use? We have to use the article. Even when there is a use of superlative form is there, so that time also we have to use the article, the best, the smallest, the biggest, etc. Even students, remember that when there is a name of any musical instrument, that time also what we have to use? We have to use the article. And when there is a particular noun is there, means that we use the when it's clear which person or thing we mean. Look at here. Here we are clear that which book the person is want. So for that we have to use the. When it's not clear that which book the person want. So for that time we have what we have to use? We have to use the. And remember that a and an is used only before countable nouns. That's things that can be counted. Now look at here, another slide related to this article, that a and the precede the nouns and are used in undefinite expressions. A and an is used only with the countable singular nouns. Those who start with the consonant letter have a tag at the beginning of the word, and nouns that begin with a vowel that will have an tag at the beginning of the word. An is usually used when expressing what an object is. We cannot use countable singular nouns alone. I already told that an we can use when there is a countable nouns. Now look at your example. I saw an accident of a car. That is an excellent pencil. Alex is training to be an engineer. I need a kilogram of salt. So look at here. If we are talking about a specific object, the is used countable singular or plural and can be used with all uncountable nouns. If we are talking about an unknown object or person, a or an, but if specified person is there, means you know that person very well. So for that, what we have to use? We have to use the. And you know, students, sometimes we have to omit the articles also. Like we don't have to use a or an or the. This is also possible. It's not every time that we have to use a, an or the. You know, sometimes we have to omit also. For example, that if I'm talking about milk, so milk is a plural countable. Uncountables. Sorry, it's the uncountables. And sometimes what happens if I say children? So it's a plural form of child. Yes, which is countable. But if we are using it in a general meaning, so for that we don't have to use articles. Like milk is good for everyone. So here milk is an uncountable noun. So before the milk is wrong. So what we have to say? Only milk. Then I say children love playing. That time I cannot say the children love playing, because each and every children in the world love to play. So that time don't use any article. Even when there is a name of game, before also we don't have to use article. Suppose cricket, football, tennis, etc. I am playing cricket. They are playing football. The cricket is a wrong. Yes, so before any game name we have to avoid any article. Even before the names of languages also we have to avoid article. I know English. I know Urdu. I know Arabic. So before an Arabic and English is wrong. Yes, I know Urdu. I know Arabic. I know Hindi. So before, no need of the use of article. So students, here you have to remember that sometimes you have to avoid also articles. I hope students that you understood how to use this article a, an and the. First of all, you have to remember that when there is a one thing, we have to use a or an in a meaning of one. Even when there is a singular noun is there or any object is there, So for that also we have to use a or an. When there is a in a meaning of each and every is there, so that time also you can use according to your consonant or vowel sound. We have to use a or an. Here you have to remember that if there is a, though there is a vowel letter, but this vowel letter has a consonant sound, so before what will come? A. And if there is a consonant letter, but it has a vowel sound, like R, honest, so before what we have to use? Before we have to use an, not a. So according to sound, we have to use a or an. And then we have to use when there is a specific thing that you are very known about it, when you are know that things or that object, whatever. So for that you have to use the. Even sometimes what happens that when there is a one object is repeated again and again, or one noun is repeated again and again, so for that also we have to use the. For example, that I bought a shirt. The shirt is very nice. So here look at, I bought a shirt. Earlier which article I have used a, but after I repeated the same object, shirt, the shirt is very nice. So that time but I have to use the shirt. My mother baked a cake. My mother baked a cake. The cake was very tasty. The cake was very delicious. When I'm using the cake word again, so that time what I have to use? I have to use the article. Now look at students, here I am having one exercise for you with the answer. The answer I have given in a bold. Now this exercise you have to write in your book. So when you come back to school, we'll check this, that have you written or not. So students, try to understand I'm explaining this exercise to you. After, note down this exercise in your book. Now look at the first. I want an apple from that basket. Now look at here. An apple means I want one apple from that basket. That church on the corner is a progressive. So here what will come? The church will come, because you know that you are talking about which church, which is in a corner. Yes, it's a specific. You know that place. Miss Lin speaks Chinese. Now here speaks the Chinese. Here no article, because Chinese is a language. So that's why here no article will come. Okay. So here cross means no article. I borrowed dash pencil from your pile of pencils and pens. I borrowed one pencil from the pile of pencils. So here a is used in a meaning of one. One of the students said, the professor is late today. Now, one teacher is coming late. Now, suppose that you know that you have a English period. So you know it very well that who is taking English. You know that teacher. And when someone say that the teacher will not come or the teacher will come late, so you understood that which teacher, that who is coming late or who not come. So here some specific is there. You know that person very well. So for that, when there is a specific things there, so for that you have to use the. When you know that person, that time you have to use the article. Ellie likes to play volleyball. Now look at here, play the volleyball or play a volleyball will not come, yes, because volleyball is the name of game. So that's why here no article. I bought an umbrella to go out in the rain. Now I bought one umbrella, but look at here, U is a which letter? Is a vowel letter, even with the sound of a. So that's why what will come here? And will come, yes. My daughter is learning to play the violin at her school. Now look at here, the violin. Violin is the name of instrument. Which instrument? Is a musical instrument. So when there is a musical instrument name, I told you before also, then what we have to use? We have to use the article, the flute, the violin, etc. Please give me the cake that is on the counter. Now look at here. Why is here the article is there? Because here the specific place is there. That please give me the cake that is on the counter. Means which is on the counter, that cake the person want. So here a specific things here want. You want one specific things which is kept on one specific place. So for that what we have to use? We have to use the article. I lived on Main Street when I first came to town. Now here there is no article. So students, I hope you understood how to use this a and the article. So students, I have given this PDF also in your group. So copy this, try to understand it. And if you have any doubts related to this topic, so you can write in the comment box and complete this work in your book. Thank you all and have a wonderful day.